Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to another vloggy vlog. If you're new here, my name is Nyla. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. You're gonna love it here because everybody loves it here, and that's on period. So yeah, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Friday. It's November 1st. The year is almost over. So crazy, but yeah, it's November 1st. It is, I don't know why I'm doing that. My watch is on my wrist. It's 11:18. I'm actually getting ready to go to Trader Joe's because we need to do some grocery shopping for the house. We need some meats. We tried to finish a lot of our food before we went on vacation. So now that we're back, we got to go grocery shopping. By the way, if you haven't watched my last travel vlog, make sure you go watch it. It's fantastic. We had a great time, and I had a great time editing and filming it. So yeah, but anyways, we are headed to Trader Joe's. So see y'all there. Hey y'all, I'm sure you're wondering, why is she all done up? I had to film a video today and I just finished filming a TikTok. Look at these cute earrings that I have on. Y'all will see them in an upcoming video, but the small little hoops, they're so cute. But yeah, I was shooting a jewelry video campaign. I am actually about to get dressed. This is not what I'm wearing. I just put this on because the top was cute and also the hole was big enough that I knew I wasn't gonna mess up my makeup. But I'm finna take this off and put something else on because I'm actually getting ready to go to Charlotte because we are going to go to the airport overlook and have like a little picnic with the girls. So I'm actually getting ready to change and then I will probably see y'all in the car or when we get to Charlotte.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors are closed. I felt like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take them back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in that U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them. Plus, I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take them back to the club. It's about an hour, I stand online.
Hi guys, we're at the airport overlook. And we're having a little picnic. Well, they are. I ate in the car because I wanted some Bojangles. So I was gonna go to Dave's Hot Chicken, but that was a little further. So I said, let me go to Bojangles. It was on the way.
Get in the booth, bitch. That's what I gotta say. Hi, you guys. I have a migraine. So, I'm feeling really low right now. I hope y'all missed me a little bit. I missed y'all a little bit. Nyla, you doing a lot today.
It's not my fault. It does this every time.
Not to me. Anyway, We at the airport. We popping bottles, popping champagne. Down to the. Come on, shut the champagne.
It's gonna track your face.
Popping champagne and shit. If you know what to do for migraines, please get in the comments.
Don't they have medicine for migraines, or you can get a shot or something?
I gotta wait for the doctor's appointment before I kill over. I understand why people do hard drugs for pain. I'm almost at my limit. What y'all been? And this is the cozy corner outside, wide outside. What y'all been listening to? I'm gonna tell you what I've been listening to. Megan Thee Stallion. And if you're a Megan Thee Stallion hater, go to hell. I've been listening to Glorilla. Yeah, I watched it in the middle of the night, like the Lord intended. And Tyler the Creator's album. It was, except for dun dun dun, Sexy Red feature. Stop letting her feature. Let her do her own perk. No partner work for her. Individual assignments only. Her don't do good on a group project. And I feel like if you was gonna let her do the group project, y'all should have let her go first. So it can be like, oh yeah, and then we get to Glorilla and everyone else can be like, dang, they blew it out of the park, but everybody else went first.
And their verses were better.
And then it was like you could tell who didn't really read for the project.
Who didn't study? Yes, I can hear you.
Sissy Red. I'm so sorry, sister. She just tapping the ground. But yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, how y'all doing? I'm a 2. But oh my gosh, I haven't seen y'all since my birthday. Halloween was the other day. What did y'all be for Halloween? I didn't get to dress up for Halloween because I didn't feel good. But in spirit, I was gonna be a clown. And if I didn't be a clown, I was gonna be Wednesday Addams. And lastly, I would have been Megan Thee Stallion because we're twins. Thank you for supporting me. I hope I sound loud. Am I talking loud? I feel like I'm talking so loud. I can't.
You're using your inside voice, but
I
the mic
just
is near your mouth, so it should pick it up.
get in a booth, bitch. Get in a booth. And my closing statement is I didn't want to cough on the microphone. I'm going to a Tyler Creator concert. And that's really fun. Oh, also, I went to a glass blowing class today. I made a cup. I'll be back with my updates on the cup. And I'm taking a sewing class next year. So come back. Yeah. And then in a little while, I'll be making the hottest, sexiest fits ever. And just to be funny, I might get so good and go to New York Fashion Week. And when people ask me, what inspired you to get into designing? I'm going to say, this is some shit I just did for fun. Just to be funny. I'm having a great time, you guys. Lastly, again, if you know something from migraines that's not go to the doctor yet, let me know because my doctor's appointment is tardy to the party. Bye. I love you so bad. Mwah.
My advance, I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now they look at me like, damn, dog, you what I am. A hip hop legend, I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven.
Hey y'all, we haven't chatted in a few days. I think the last y'all saw was me cooking dinner the other day. I think that's the last thing y'all saw. The lamb chops that I made, they were fire. They were too motherfucking good. They were too good. But anyways, I had some packages that came in the other day, so I wanted to do a little haul and show y'all some stuff. So the other day I opened my door and there was a package there and it said Lancome on it, and I had to make sure it was addressed to me because my mother loves Lancome. And so I was like, oh, maybe my mom ordered something. But then I looked at who it was addressed to, and it was addressed to me, and I was like, I didn't order nothing off of Lancome, so like, you know, what's tea? And they actually sent me a PR package. This is my first one from Lancome, so thank you, Lancome. I'm so appreciative. But they sent me a holiday gift set, and it came with this little card. Soup's cute. It says, hi beauty, the holiday season is upon us, and what better way to celebrate than with your favorite Lancome products. Whether you gift this set to yourself or you share with a loved one, we hope your holidays are filled with joy, excitement, and happiness. With love, your Lancome family. So, love that for me. So, look how pretty this is. This is so pretty. This is their La Vie Es Belle perfume. They sent me 3 of them, bitch. Like, I got the... Ooh! I already sprayed it and smelled it on myself the other day. Ugh, I'm gonna put the notes of the perfume somewhere on the screen. But they got me the big jumbo size. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. This one down here is the 1 fluid ounce. And then this one is, this one up top is 0.135 fluid ounces. So this is the travel size. I think I'm gonna give this one to Danielle. This one I'm gonna give to my mom. And then the big one I'm gonna keep for myself. It's a floral scent. It smells so, so good. It's a floral gourmand scent. It smells too good. And I typically gravitate towards more, y'all know, musky, woodsy scents. That's what I like. I do have some more like floral gourmandy scents in my collection, but what I prefer to wear is musky scents. But I do also like mixing like gourmandy or floral scents with musky, woodsy types of scents, because I think that they complement each other really, really well. So yeah, this smells too good. So shout out to Lancome for gifting this to me. And then this package is something that I purchased myself, but if you follow Topicals, you know that they just came out with their new slick salve. This is their acai lip balm, and so I already wanted to re-up on the original one because quite literally I was squeezing the last of what I had out that tube, and Danielle was making fun of me. She was like, what is in there? I was like, there's still product in here, leave me alone. But I ended up ordering 2 more when I got home. I actually waited because I wanted to order it with the new acai one so I could just get everything at the same time. But let's unbox the new one so we can all see what it looks like together, because I haven't opened this. I was waiting to do it on camera. Ooh, so pretty. So it looks just like the original one, except it has like the berry reddish kind of font. So I think that's cool. It says ceramides, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and rice bran wax, which I think is also what is in the original one. Ooh, You probably could get away with using a lip liner and then putting this on top. Ooh, it smells good. I love the way it smells. It feels just like the original, but it has a tint. I love how this looks, especially like on my natural lip color. Oh, she eats. She eats too bad. Okay, Topicals, you did your big one. Yeah, I feel like with a nice like berry liner, even like a nice brown liner, and then you put this on top. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I like this. I like her a lot. That is my little Topicals haul. That is my little Lancome PR haul. I just wanted to do a little haul. Sorry if you hear any barking in the background. It's gonna be them dogs. And really, Hazel's the one that be starting it. Any fucking noise, that bitch gonna bark. And then Skipper is a follower sometimes. He needs to be a leader. Stop following after her anxious behind. There's no need to bark. Anyways, yeah, that is it for my little haul. I just wanted to come on, show y'all what I got, and then end this vlog. I will at some point I will pick up the camera to vlog again, but I also have other content that I'm working on too. So regardless, y'all will see me in the next video. So if you're not already subscribed, y'all know the spiel. Come join the family. You're gonna love it here because everybody loves it here, and that's on period. Love you guys so much. See you beautiful people in my next video. Bye y'all.